Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lakewood, Michigan, a quiet and scenic town nestled along the shores of Lake Huron. This small community is known for its peaceful lakeside views, outdoor recreation, and friendly local atmosphere. The area was first settled in the mid-1800s, during a time when logging and farming were the main industries shaping northern Michigan. Early settlers built homes, sawmills, and small businesses that helped the community grow. Over the years, Lakewood has become a destination for people looking to enjoy fishing, boating, and hiking in the nearby state parks. Whether you're here to explore the water, enjoy the woods, or simply take in the tranquil scenery, Lakewood offers a peaceful escape for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lakewood, Michigan. Thanks for watching!